Hello my dear friends, I came after work. It is evening and I went straight to the garden because I really want to see which rose is actually doing better. We had like awful weather. It was rainy, it was windy, it was very windy. I was so worried about my roses, my 3 roses, that they're gonna fall, they're gonna break, but thankfully nothing happened, nothing really bad happened. And I think it is a good idea to do this video to see which roses actually survived and have better tolerance to rain and wind. This is young Lycidas, David Austin rose. The smell is absolutely fantastic. Oh my god, it's one of the strongest smell, I think. One of the strongest smell in David Austin roses. Beautiful. Last year these 3 roses gave me, like very long stems, and the flowers were kind of like looking down. But this year it's quite compact, quite nice, beautiful, and the color is outstanding. Not bad, not bad. Especially who lives in the UK, you know what kind of weather we had, and it looks wonderful, beautiful. And here Emily Bronte, she's also doing quite good and also has a wonderful smell. Let me try. Oh yes, wonderful smell. Emily Bronte, Estasia Vi. Yeah, I'm practicing to pronounce this rose. Doing good as well, not bad. Olivia is a little bit, she lost some flowers, but they are old flowers, and she survived as well. Let's go on that side. Here we have Amazing Day, doing perfectly well. Some of the flowers became a bit, sorry about this, Athos is protecting his territory. Athos, coming back to Amazing Day, doing good. She looks quite well. Wow, wonderful. Of course, Duchess of Cornwall. It's never a problem with this rose. If you have this rose, just enjoy the blooming. If it is sunny, if it is rain, if it is windy, this rose doesn't care. It's really beautiful. But I'm so sad about this rose. Look, it's broken. It's broken down there because of wind. And it's cold. This rose nearly died, and I really tried to revive her. That is the name I can't pronounce, but probably Lean can pronounce it right. Not good with French. This is a French rose. Okay, let's see here. I read Leonardo da Vinci. It always reminds me the cherry tree. That is Prince de Monaco. That is Bliss Perfuma. Little bit suffered because of rain, but on the top there, doing good. Let's see here. Gorgeous. She's not bad, but these flowers up here, they're old ones. That is why they're kind of coming to the end. But normally these rose quite tolerant to rain. But look at this one, really wonderful hourlies. I really like the shape of the bush, the flowers itself. Look at that. Beautiful. And then it goes to this color slowly from here into here. Our leaves, beautiful rose as well, beautiful shape, gives lots and lots of flowers. This one, Matthias Claudius, doing really good, doesn't care about rain at all. But look at this one, that is really amazed me this year, Rosarium Utterson. My god, how beautiful she is. And she tolerates rain really and really good this year. Look at that. Oh, it's beautiful rose, outstanding. And another one I really love, Sophie Louise. Oops, where is the, yes. Oh my god, the smell. Wonderful, wonderful smell. And look how she tolerates rain really, really well. Oh my god. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Fantastic, fantastic rose. Trumpeter. I think this rose will survive, even if it is apocalypse. This rose will survive. That is Rose Capri, slowly opening her flowers. That is Perennial Blue. And the one which didn't tolerate at all the weather, it was Abraham Darby. I just need to cut these buds because that's it, they're gone. That is the new rose, the King's Rose, new rose David Austin, doing good. Let's see on this side here. There is Munstead Wood. But it is her first year. I don't expect a lot from this rose, to be honest, at the moment. This is Japanese Rose Coral Gelée. I don't know about the smell. Yeah, it's like a light medium. Very sweet smell. She keeps a good shape as well. And look at this one here. It's called All the Best, or My Brother, Rollins Rose. She tolerates rain really good. Look, like just nothing happened. Oh, the dogs. The dogs, I don't know what happened. Normally they don't bark. Oh, the flowers. It's beautiful. And then Minerva. Minerva, she doesn't like rain. She doesn't like sun. You have to really be very careful with this rose. It's absolutely stunning rose. The smell is fantastic, but it's like you have to be like very, like, you know, you have to think about the dosage of everything you give to this rose. It should be a certain proportion of sun, certain proportion of humidity, and it gives you the best color, the best bloom. Yeah, just think about pharmacy when you think about this rose. You have to be really, really careful. But I heard that year by year it becomes better, and she becomes like more tolerant. Last year she wouldn't tolerate even a drop of rain, but look, this year she's doing better. And I'll show you from the other side. This is what happens. She doesn't like rain at all, but these buds don't look bad. Not too bad. That is okay. And the one here, it's perfume collection from Cardes. I'll show you the name. There is a name for it, but we normally use Summer Romance. Yes, Summer Romance is a second name. The smell, my God, the smell is really nice. But I completely agree with JJ. This year, you know, the flower just kind of gives one bud, opens one flower, and then gives another bud. Like lone flowers on the bush. I don't know why, but it's not only me saying that. It's other my friends who grow roses, they have the same problem. And probably it's because of the cold nights. Let's see it on the second wave. I think they will recover. They definitely will recover. Summer Romance, huge size, look at that. Huge size of the rose. Oh, and I want to show you this one here, which is Emma Bridgewater. She didn't like rain at all. But it is her first year. Let's see. I don't expect much from the first year roses. Gabriel Oak waiting as well. Oh, look at that. Stunning Emily Bronte. Okay, this is how it is. Probably me and you, we have kind of idea which roses tolerates rain and wind better. But look at this one. Oh my God, look at the color. Stunning. An amount of flowers. Wonderful. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen next. There is a weather forecast saying there's more rain, and let's hope nothing gonna happen to our roses. And I've got a colleague, we became a very good friends, and she told me that in Liverpool people say it's boss. It means it's amazing. That is why it's boss flower, and I wish you a boss day and evening. Oh, it's wonderful. It's definitely boss. Bye bye.